again, Avy. Do it again.
Well, it's just a random skiing machine.
Well, show me how you play on it.
No, it's fine.
Uh-oh, something broke.
Oh, it's not broken. Okay.
My little exercise thing. You what? I dropped my keys. Thank you. I may need them again one day. Thing about things from the dump is that they usually are sort of broken. But I don't care. Then it doesn't make me feel bad when they break. Okay. Hello, I'm doing the skiing machine. Looking over the world out there. All the tracks from Lily Dog. Okay, that's enough exercise for today, or for right now. But we did it. We went out in the car. We got Avy and we came back. See the garden bed? Perfect garden bed.